Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Week Ahead. I'm Aditya from Mostly Bearish. Last week, we analyzed 4 stocks. So, let's take a review of those stocks. So, one of the stock, M&M, I expected that it might create a new 52-week high, but we all know what happened in Nifty last week. So, Nifty cracked down continuously for 4 trading sessions. So, most of the levels that we expected were hit on the other stocks. I had also told about M&M, if there is any chance that it goes down, it might test the lower edge of the support level. So we'll look at all the trades and analysis. Yes, most of the stocks tested the level but went lower than that also. So let's just take a look at it on charts. First of all, let's start talking about Nifty itself. If you see this, from Monday, Nifty started falling. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we had some kind of a recovery. During the second half of the video, we'll do an analysis of what may happen in Nifty in different scenarios as well. So the first stock that we looked at was L&T. I had specified that in one of the scenarios, if these levels are broken, the stock will test somewhere around these levels, which happened, right? So if you see here, the stock broke down and tested 850 zones as well. We expected somewhere around 861 levels. So L&T actually did what we expected, but the fall was more rigorous mainly because of the crackdown in Nifty. Second stock we analyzed was M&M. M&M had created a new 52-week high on last Friday. I expected that M&M will create a new 52-week high and go upwards, which did not happen mainly because of the fall in Nifty. I had also specified that if the stock comes below this, probably consolidate, but because of the Thursday's fall, which was more than 3%, the stock fell more. This was not expected, but we expected there might be a consolidation. Post which we spoke about ONGC. ONGC was a range bound stock, and the scenario was that if there was a crack down in ONGC, which happened here, we expected that these levels and somewhere around these levels will be tested. So those levels got tested, but if you see, it went lower than that also. Finally, we also did an analysis of Zeal Limited. Z was range bound somewhere around these levels which we saw. I specified in one of the scenarios, if these ranges are broken downwards, there is a chance that Z might test these levels or somewhere around these levels here. That happened, our levels got tested, but it did go lower than that as well. So last week, 4 analysis given mainly because of the fall in Nifty. 3 of them went lower than the expected level. M&M also broke down. I was on the buy side of M&M, but because of the fall, and I also specified if the range is broken towards the downside, I might see a consolidation, but consolidation broke down mainly because of the Thursday's fall. Now, before analyzing the next 4 stocks and making an analysis on Nifty, so these are different scenarios that I give out for educational purposes. Please do not take any positions based on what I am talking about. I speak about the different scenarios. I use these scenarios to take trades on intraday basis. So try to understand what my analysis is and what is happening and why I give out different types of analysis. Because mainly this is the stock market. Anything can happen anytime. So we need to be prepared and ready for any kind of scenario, right? If we take an example of last week itself, M&M, I was on the buy side. Because of a crackdown in Nifty, M&M proved to be wrong. I also had a scenario. If this price breaks down, I'll know what may happen, right? The other 3, we had levels which got tested, but mainly because of the fall, it went lower than our levels as well. So let's get into the analysis of 4 more stocks which I'm looking at for the coming week. So first of all, let's talk about Nifty itself. Okay. Now, what are the possibilities? I'm expecting Nifty to probably test the 10-day exponential somewhere around here. If it sustains and survives there, well and good. Probably some kind of consolidation or breakout on the top side. But if there is any kind of news or gap down or global fall and the lower levels somewhere around here are taken out, these levels, or on closing basis, if 10,800 is taken out, I am expecting Nifty to fall even lower towards 10,700 to 10,600 also. So these are extreme levels which I'm speaking about, which may not be possible, but if there is any kind of global fall, I may expect these kind of levels as well. We are going to be having an open opinion on both sides of Nifty. Based on these, how Nifty also plays out, we'll be taking a look at the 4 other stocks. So the first stock is ACC. Now, if Nifty stays stable and does not fall, I am expecting ACC to test the 10-day exponential on first scenario basis. The second scenario on ACC is consolidation between the ranges, this one and here. But if there is any fall in Nifty and these levels are taken out, I am expecting ACC to test somewhere around these levels here. So we have three scenarios all covered. We need to see what happens based on Nifty, what scenario plays out. Now the next is Bhartiya Airtel. Bhartiya Airtel, I'm expecting some kind of movement if Nifty stays positive. I'm stressing on Nifty mainly because if there is a global fall, I'm expecting Nifty to fall. So there might be choppiness in the market, there might be extreme moves. That is why I'm very specific about the different scenarios. Now, if Nifty stays stable, I'm expecting Airtel to go somewhere around these levels, test these levels here. Right? If these are tested, so probably something. So this is the fall, test these levels, maybe come back and then we can see a breakout. On another hand, if there is a fall somewhere around here and there is a gap down, I'm expecting it to test the lower levels here. And if these levels are taken out, I'm expecting 410 to reach. The next stock I want to talk about is Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy had a brilliant move in the last week, right? We saw a great upside. This was one of the trades I had taken on intraday basis as well. There is some kind of a consolidation around these levels here. Okay. So let's talk about the different levels on Dr. Reddy. So I'm expecting if these levels are taken out, it might test levels of these, but there might also be some consolidation somewhere around these levels here. If the lower levels here are taken out, I'm expecting Dr. Reddy to reach somewhere around these levels, test these levels. And if there is a fall, probably test these levels also. So the final stock we'll be talking about is Maruti. So Maruti, if everything is stable, I'm expecting it to reach and test somewhere about these levels here. If there is any breakdown from these levels, I'm going to be expecting 6,200 and even lower than that. So for the coming week, I've given analysis on Nifty plus 4 more stocks. Let's see what happens, which scenario plays out and how the stock moves. These are all analysis based on how Nifty may move, what are the different testing levels for these stocks. Do subscribe to Mostly Bearish to not miss out on any videos or any learning from my side. I work on these 4 playlists. Do watch them to understand the different aspects of the market. I speak about the education part, I speak about the trades taken, and stock market week ahead gives us some kind of a view of few stocks that I'm looking at for the coming week. Do hit the like icon if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment and share with all your friends who are interested in the stock market. Thank you so much for watching my videos.